Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, wash and gently pat your face so it stays slightly damp. This helps glycerin absorb. Mix 5 teaspoon Gulab Jal with 5 teaspoon glycerin in a clean bowl. A small amount spreads farther. If your skin leans oily, reduce glycerin to 25 tsp. If dry, keep both equal. Once mixed, warm the blend slightly between your palms to make it fluid. Make sure to do a quick patch test and wait 24 hours if you haven't yet. You'll apply with intention. Dispense 3 to 4 drops onto fingertips and dot the mixture across forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Using upward, circular strokes, press the blend into your skin for 60 to 90 seconds to improve penetration. Glycerin draws moisture in, while Gulab Jal soothes and tones. Once done, let it sit uncovered for 5 to 10 minutes so the humectant can act. If you plan to layer products, make sure the mixture is mostly absorbed before adding moisturizer or sun. You finish by sealing benefits. After 10 minutes, if skin feels slightly tacky, apply a light moisturizer to lock in hydration. This prevents surface stickiness. If you repeatedly feel gummy, next time use 1/4 the glycerin versus Gulab Jal to balance humectant strength. If redness, burning, or irritation appears, rinse thoroughly with cool water and stop using the mixture. Consult a professional for persistent reactions. Keep these adjustments in mind, and you'll refine the ratio that works best for your skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.